Hello and welcome guys, my name is Matt and welcome to my new channel. If you guys haven't guessed it already, it's going to be a landscape photography channel. I'll be vlogging around where I live, hopefully take some good images, nice images. Really got something to show for it, not just walking around the forest. So I'm from Saguenay. I'm not from here, but this is where I live. I live in Saguenay, Quebec, Canada. And for the last, I don't know, since January, there's been a curfew. So during the winter, it wasn't too bad because the days are short. But now it's getting difficult to go out for sunrise and sunset. So today I decided to come to a little town called Saint-Jean. It has a big waterfall. We can probably hear it right now. It has a big waterfall. So that's my plan for today. Just get to the waterfall and try to find a couple images I like. So we'll see what I'm capable of. So I just arrived at this waterfall on the trail, and I've been here before, and it's kind of like dead season in the spring. You know, everything's kind of dead. There's no greens, but I've been looking around. I've been walking up and down here and trying to look for something. I was looking at the top of the waterfall, and I kind of like the view of the waterfall looking down on it. So I might try that, and I might try to get some little vignettes of the waterfall, little sections, but we'll see what I come up with. So what I'm trying to do here is, like I said earlier, just trying to get a shot get a shot of the waterfall looking up. I'm just trying to fill the frame with drama. I might put a polarizer just to darken the rocks. Okay, that looks a bit better with the polarizer. I think I'm just gonna half polarize it because I kind of like the shining rocks. I mean the glares on the rock. I kind of like it just a bit, so I'm just gonna put it half polarized. I don't know why. It just looks better live than the image. Yeah, it's really difficult. You know, I like the drama and all that, but it's just that corner. I don't like it. So the composition I got right now, I don't like it. So I'm just gonna try a different composition, try to find another section of the waterfall that I like. And I really like this one here. Oh yes, this one's looking nice. Okay, I got something now. Got something a bit more promising. This is a already way better image because I filled the frame with the subject completely. There's no big corners that are empty. And no, I really like this section of the fall, and I'll show you guys what I got. So this is what I got, guys. This is my composition. What I like the most is the main fall is behind, and it's like the whole background's white. So we got this defined section here. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna experiment with my shutter speed. I think for the background it's gonna be a faster shutter speed because I want to see the spray, the definition, but I want a bit more blurriness with the middle fall, because I feel like it's just gonna be too much detail in the center of the waterfall. I just want it to be a bit more smooth. So we'll see what I come up with, but I'm gonna take multiple different exposures at different shutter speeds, and then I'm gonna combine the two, see what's gonna happen. But this is my composition. Hopefully it works out, and I hope you guys like it. Down from the main waterfall to this little section of the river, and there's not much to work with. I was on the other side earlier, but there was nothing good, so I walked all the way around and I set up my tripod, my camera, trying to find something, and there's not much to work with. Like I'm saying, so let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is pretty much the foreground I'm working with here. It's pretty much like shapes and colors. So what I really like is this bright rock. And then we have the orange dead leaves and pine. And then we have some moss on the rock here a bit. So I'm playing with these shapes and these colors to contrast with the waterfall. So hopefully it looks good. And I'm going to show you guys the image right now. You guys can tell me what you think. So that's it for today. That's it for the waterfall photography. It was a good day. I really enjoyed it. It was good to be out. It's been a while I haven't been out. I really like that one shot I got with the telephoto lens. The other one I got down the stream, I'm not too sure how that one's gonna turn out. I'm a bit scared of how it's gonna look. But you guys already saw it. So tell me what you guys think about the images. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up and tell me what you did and did not like about it. And for now, just walking down the path and see my car back there. Just heading back home. So until next time guys, see you later. God bless.